Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to provide you the solution to the DaVinci Resolve not opening problem. I also faced this problem a few minutes ago, but I somehow managed to solve the problem. So I thought of to share this solution to you guys too. So let's get into the solution. So first you go to the search bar and you can type device manager and click on it. Then after that you can see the display adapter. Over here you can see AMD and Intel graphics card. You can uninstall or disable this device. Click on OK. Then after that you will only have a Intel graphics card on your computer running. So after that you can click on this Resolve, and this time I'll get my Resolve loaded onto this computer, but some of you might face the problem which is not loading. So those who have faced the problem, you can go to the task manager, and over there under the background processes you can see the DaVinci Resolve, and whenever you see it but you don't get this loaded onto your computer, you can just end the task over here. And you can again retry, and this time it will get loaded. Okay, thank you guys. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and help me to connect with you more by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.